So the thing is, I've been watching this TV show called Hannibal. I quite like it, and the thing it's of three seasons here. So I have completed the season one, and now I have downloaded the season two. But the problem I've been facing is that let me show you. Yeah, I have downloaded the season two, but the problem I've been facing is that with season one I got the subtitles, so I like watching these English TV shows or movies along with subtitles. Actually, I understand English, but I prefer the edge of having subtitles, which gives me more better context of what I'm watching rather just bluffing around. So for the season one, I got the subtitles, which work perfectly. But the second season, I haven't got the subtitles. So what I did was let me first extract this thing. So for the second season, I haven't got the subtitles. Went online and externally I have downloaded the subtitles. But the problem I've been facing is that every time I have to watch an episode, like I watch an episode when I just want to relax and have a good time watching something. So every time I have to watch an episode, is that I have to set along the subtitles file for the episode I've been watching. Actually, I don't keep track of which episode I've been watching. I just randomly open one, and if that I haven't watched it, I just watch it. So every time I can't set up this subtitle file, so it's just repeating task for me. Mostly the way I watch is I watch on different devices. Like whenever I possible, I watch on the laptop or on the smartphone or even the TV. So what I do is I just run a run a FTP server and connect the FTP server over the TV or the mobile, or, or I just locally store the files over the laptop. As you can see, we have 13 episodes along with the subtitles. Let me just show you the subtitles. So we have the subtitles, 13 subtitles over here. So what I want to do is just add the subtitles to the MKV files, the movie episode files. So every time I just open it, I just have to go through the subtitles menu within the player rather specifying it before opening the episode. So let's just see. First, I just like to set this naming convention a proper way. I don't like how this is looking. So let me run a for loop right here and rename everything a bit appropriate. Let's do this like okay, ls Anish Dawn and publish to while read line and do some MV color line and on dollar line and rename this file to something like this, I guess. Echo dollar line. I know there might be better ways of doing this, but I prefer this because I understand it quite well. So what I wanna do is grep s02 e dot and close it with the mkv. Just let me just mkv and front left side enable and a hyphen. Yes, same as quite the thing. Done. Rather just performing the action. Let me just check whether it's perfect or not. No, it ain't perfect. Yeah, I have forgotten adding the dash. Oh, the what does this dashboard does is it just outputs only the matching ones, the matching text. So now we can see here we got the output we are in required. So I can perform the action now. So alt and MV, well, C single loop, and we just renamed everything to perfection. And let's go into the subtitles. I don't even like the naming convention here, so I just like to do the same here too. So let's just instead of MKV, these are SRT files as their subtitles, and instead of gripping this stuff, grep x 2x, grep 2x, and I just love what here this said substitute 2x with S0 to E on global. Let's just check whether it is giving the perfect output. Yes, it means I can just do that it now. MV. Well, see, they are just beautifully aligned. Like you can see everything in just a clean format. I like it. So let's, for instance, just have a look whether we have subtitles or not. So as you can see down here, we don't have any subtitles. Like no. So I have to add these subtitles. So let's actually in the manual way, what I do is MPV. You can see here we have an subtitle file specification way. So MPV, for example, let's take some random one like 5 and dash dash sub file equals to subtitles and 5 SRP play. As you can see here, down here we got the sub. We have got the subtitles here down. So it's just a tedious process of doing this whole thing every time. I don't quite like it, so I just want to use ffmpeg and make them together so that I just don't have to go through searching the files over there. Rather just open it and directly apply the subtitles. So I prefer doing in a loop. So let's do something like for I in we got 0, 1 to 30. Yeah, fine. Do ffmpeg. This is the command. So let me just show you the command ffmpeg dash. We input the mkv file here and our subtitle file here, and we perform a copy. The reason for copy is we are not performing any sort of encoding here. We are just copying the audio and video from the mkv file and just placing it over here. And this second C for SRT, the subtitle files, we are specifying the mode of subtitles we are using. We are using here SRT, and in the final output MKP file. Yeah, that's the whole command we are going to use to perform this action. Let's just do the for I in 0, 1 to 13, and we're gonna do this on what we do this like hannibal, as we're having the variable IO here. We can do something like let me just show you how this for loop works. Like for I in 0, 1 to 13, do echo $1, done. Sorry, it's not the $1, it's $I. Yeah, you can see we are getting these episode numbers here. So that's the same way I'm gonna replace them here. $I dot mkv and srt file here. So let's do something like hannibal $I srt, and the srt is located in subtitles. And going along, we need to do the output. So I'm thinking of creating a folder. Let me just see this and mkdir final. Yeah, final. And let's do something here. Final. Okay, I'm gonna use Hannibal, the name itself, Hannibal $imkv, which is in final. So what this whole command is gonna do is from shit. This part over here generates the episode numbers, and this part till here performs the adding of subtitles to the MKV files. And let me just minimize the screen so you can have a better view. I think that's it. Like, is everything okay? Final and done. Enter. Yeah, there you go. The process has been started. I think for the 13 episodes, it might last around 2 minutes. I might fast forward this part. Yeah, I'm thinking about fast forwarding this part of the video, so it might be looking good. So there you have it. I think the process is completed. Let me just check it up. Yeah, we can see we have got all these 13 files and CD final. We have got all these 13 files like ff probe. Let's just probe one, and let me grab I'm not sure whether ff probe has I don't see subtitles. Yeah, there you go. We have subtitle. When the grip is working, let's just start putting on the whole format. So we can see we have the subtitle down here. Okay, rather just let's just watch one like a random one like fifth. Yep, there you go. We got our subtitles here, and we got subtitles. Yeah, just a simple loop of loop in the terminal just did the whole work. Yeah, terminal is magic. I'm sure there might be like better ways of doing this thing, but to me, this is the one. I'm not a truly advanced user of terminal, but this just got my job done. Like mostly. Um, so that's it for this video. Hope you have learned something new or came to know about something new. Stay hydrated. Peace.